Be strong.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. Now let's continue our topic about thick and thin. Let's go. So once again, welcome to our online class, and our subject for today is mathematics, and our classroom is K2 MEP, and today is Tuesday, August 10, 2021, and I am your teacher for today, Teacher Mary. Now let's go. So we have here thick and thin. Let's continue our topic this morning. So we have here thick and thin. Very good. So on the screen, as you can see, I have here a thick book and a thin book. If you can see there, we have here a thick book and a thin book. We also have here a thick pencil and a thin pencil. We also have here a thick rubber or eraser and a thin rubber. So as you can see the difference there, you can see the difference what is thick and thin. Once again, we have here a thick book, a thin book, a thick pencil, a thin pencil, a thick rubber and a thin rubber. Very good. So now let's move on. Next to that, as you can see on the screen, we have here three pictures, okay? We have here thin pencil, thinner pencil, and the thinnest pencil, okay? So one more time, thin pencil, thinner pencil, and the thinnest pencil. As you can see their rankings there, it goes to be the thin one, this one. This is thinner than this one, and this is the thinnest, okay? And if you are going to write what is the number or their places, for example, arrange the pictures into thin to thinnest. So number one would be from thin to thinnest, okay? So which one do you think? Okay, so this would be your number one. Very good, because your instruction is from thin to thinnest, okay? So that is number one. This might be number two, okay? Because your instruction is from thin to thinnest, okay? And this one would be your number three. So this is the thinnest one, okay? So that's how you're going to arrange those pictures according to those instructions. Do you understand? Very good. Yes, I do. So now let's move on. We also have here thick pencil. As you can see, the thickness. Thicker pencil, thicker than this one. And the last one is the thickest. One more time. We have here thick. That is thick. This is thicker than this one, and this is the thickest, okay? So if you are going to arrange that one according to the thickness, which one do you think? Okay, so if your instruction is arrange the picture from thickest to thick, okay? So this is your answer. For example, this is the thickest, okay? So that is number one. This one would be your number two, and the last one would be your number three. Okay, so that's how you're going to arrange it according to the thickness. Do you understand? Yes, I do. So that's it. And once again, we have here the thickest one. We have here the thicker, and this is the thick one. Okay, I hope that it's clear. Okay, next picture. We also have here books. As you can see, okay, if your instruction is arrange the book into thick to thickest, from thick to thickest, okay? So this is the thick book, this one is the thicker book, and this is the thickest, okay? One more time. This is a thick book, a thicker book, and this is the thickest. So if your teacher wants you to arrange those pictures from the thick one to the thickest one, so you might as well write this. That is number 1. This is number 2, and this is number 3. It depends upon the instruction, okay? Arrange the items from thinnest to the thickest, okay? From thinnest to the thickest, and arrange or write 1, 2, 3, 4. So for example, this book is this thick or thin? Yeah, might as well. So this is thin, this is thicker, and this is, of course, thicker than this one, and this is the thickest. Okay, one more time. This is the thin one. This is thick, and this is thicker, and this is the thickest. So you are going to do this. Arrange from the thinnest to the thickest. Right, number 1, 2, 3. So your number 1 should be the thinnest. Very good. So that is number 1. Next to that, what is number 2? So this is your number 2. That is thick, right? And this is number 3. This is thicker than this one. And the last one is the thickest. So that would be your number 4. Now, do you understand? Yes, I do. Very good. I want you to do this picture and this picture from thinnest to the thickest. So I hope that you understand our lesson this afternoon, and see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.